Well, this is a waterfall. It's Scallop Foss. Ethan's gone. Just driftwood breaking into pieces. Yeah. My heart seems like a broken stone. A stone that's tumbled and left here alone, amongst other stones that yet they cannot speak. Their speech just drowned out by the noise. The peak up there is shining. Is it a figure of stone? A person that made me jump? Fucking hell. What a twat. Who is that there? That person there up there. Standing, watching, waiting. Do I really care? Why is it that I fixate my glance upon this seldom branch? It is arms amputated and legs folded round. It's set there. A wig upon its brow and a face looking down. Because it's sad, alone while it stares. Why does it not walk down these wet, watery stairs? Imagine if someone's drowned and washed away all their fears.